Hi everyone. So finally all of our wait is over. Finally we have a date for NEET PG 2021 and that is 11th of September. So all the rumors have gone for a toss about preponement or postponement as the people were claiming that they are aware that they will get it done. So that is what I told you. Please understand that there are certain hierarchy that is there in the system and it is extremely difficult to change those hierarchy. If the PMO has said that the exam is gonna be after 31st of August, it is gonna be after 31st of August. And considering the third scenario, the third wave scenario, we knew that the exam is gonna be in the first half of September. So I think at now by this point of time, the students associated with DBMCI should be assured that if any information is given to them that has been properly vetted, and you are in safe hands. I since yesterday I'm getting a lot of requests about the how to utilize the next 2 months in a more effective way. So this video will focus about that what is my thought that what can be done in the next 2 months to get best out of it. Now, when I talk about this again, as I say, one size doesn't fit all. So there are multiple ways, or there are different kind of students at a different preparation level. There are very few students for which this delay in the exam has not affected them at all, and they were continuing with their preparation. They were doing pretty well. They did not get distracted. So this video is not for them. All the best. AIMS exam is coming on 22nd of July. Please keep focusing. Please keep revising. Make sure that you have done with the last three-year AIMS paper very well, and I'm sure that we will be seeing a lot of you in the AIMS or INICT result. But however, there is a big chunk of the student who were unable to remain on track. So when this last month I made a video about the exact strategy, and if you remember, we created that strategy up to 31st of August. I'm not sure that how many of you were able to follow that, but my sincere request is if you are following that, again, this video is not for you. Please keep on following the same strategy up to 31st of August. What has to be done in the last 10 days, that we will discuss later. There were a few students who joined our fast track TND, and that was again planned it in a way keeping the exam in mind in the first half of the September. So please remember, this video is again not for you. Please keep on following that fast track TND schedule, and that will be extremely helpful for you. So this video is not for any student. So which students I am targeting? I am targeting those students who are not following any schedule at this point of time, who got completely distracted after the result or the news of these postponement, and now they are in panic mode that what to do in the next 2 months. They are not following any schedule. Please remember, if you are following schedule of any place, be it any online platform, be it any offline platform, please keep on following that. This and all the strategies are good. It is never like that what I will tell you is the best. It is never like that. All that matters is that you have to follow one particular strategy. So this is specifically for those students who have lost track. So I will try to give you my perspective that how you can optimally utilize the next 2 months. Okay, all right. So I am creating a schedule for you, and what I will say is that, see, you have to be slightly fast because in the 2 months we will have to complete everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow an approach which is called as CST. Now what is CST? Cumulative subject test. Now this is the concept that we introduced last year, and we have found that it has got a very good yield. So what we will be doing in this is we will be dividing the medical curriculum into 4 sets. So set 1 will have physiology, pathology, pediatric, and medicine. Set 2 will have anatomy, ENT, ophthalmology, and surgery. Set 3 will have biochemistry, forensic medicine, microbiology, PSM, and pharmacology. Whereas set 4 will have OBG with all short subjects, which include skin, anesthesia, radio, psyche, and orthopedics. So that will complete our all 19 subjects. So what we will be doing for the students at DBMCI, we will be giving them test on a specified date. The test will consist of 200 questions each. So that means all these 4 subjects combined together will have 200 questions, and that will be done on 26th July 2021. Then the set 2 test will be on 3rd August 2021. Now after this test, we will combine these two and we will have a combo test on 5th August, which will be a 200 test or 200 question test consist of all 8 subjects. And then set 3 will be on 10th of August 2021 and set 4 will be on 18th August 2021. I could have done on 17th, but 18th is my birthday. So I thought let's have a radio test on my birthday. And on 20th August, there will be a combined test for these two. Now with this, we will be able to finish the revision of all 19 subjects in the given time. And then you will be given a set of grand tests. So you have GT1 on 22nd August. You will have GT2 on 26th August. You will have GT3 on 30th August. GT4 will be on 2nd September and GT5 will be on 5th September. So if I give you a more structured pattern, this is how the planning is done for you. Once again saying it is specifically for the students who have been enrolled with DBMCI or eGurukul and appearing for NEET 2021 exam. If you are with a fast track TND already starting or already doing your course, please keep on following the same thing. If you are enrolled with us at a regular batch at this point of time, please do not try to eat a half-baked cake. Please, you have targeted the NEET 2022 exam, which is gonna be closed somewhere in the April. Please keep on preparing for that and do not try to mix your schedule. You will spoil the preparation. It is specifically for the students who have lost track, who are preparing sincerely for 2021 and now lost track and wanted to have optimum utilization of it. This is exclusively for the DBMCI student. If you are not a DBMCI student, follow this pattern and you can use your own platform. Every platform is good. You can use your own platform, but just to remain on track. Okay, just take care and please let the exam happen. We have already got it delayed, and with DBMCI, I can tell you that you are in safe hands, and I am sure you all will do very, very well. I am waiting for a great result in INI-CT. Please do not forget to inform your result. That is the only thing that we wait for and we work for. And I'm absolutely sure that the students will rock the exam. Okay, take care and all the best.